Guess where I am right now? Uh-huh. In the bag. Still think I'm not the victim here? Watch. It gets better. Oh, he's doing his own theme music? Big, dumb, and tone deaf. I am so glad I was unconscious for all of this.
Hey!
Mission accomplished.
Would you look at that?
You're not just gonna let him die like that, are you?
My shoulder angel.
Don't listen to that guy. He's trying to lead you down the path of righteousness. I'm gonna lead you down the path that rocks.
I'll come off it.
You come off it.
You.
You, Infinity. Listen up, big guy. I got 3 good reasons why you should just walk away. Number 1, look at that guy. He's got that sissy stringy music thing.
We've been through this. It's a harp, and you know it.
All right, that's a harp, and that's a dress.
Robe.
Reason number 2, look what I can do.
But what does that have to do with anything?
No. He's got a point.
Listen, you guys. You're sort of confusing me, so, be gone. Or, you know, however I get rid of you guys.
That'll work.
Oh, boy. Think. What to do? What do we do with the body?
What am I gonna tell the village?
Come on, Crocky. Okay. What do I do?
Abu, this is no time to panic!
Back, no, George!
Start panicking!
Hey, you! Hey, excuse. Stop! Pardon, excuse. Sorry about that. Coming through. Hey, you with the car! Uh-oh. This is not good. Hope that doesn't come back to haunt me.